Welcome to Easy Coloring Drawing. Hello my dears. Today we will learn to draw these beautiful car. Watch the video till the end. We need black color, yellow color, pink color, purple color, orange color, green color. Let's start. Please subscribe. First I am drawing the wheels. Then the car body. Woo! This car is going to be so colorful after the painting. Do you like cars? I like to drive a car. Now I am coloring with yellow marker. Woo! Biscuit color. I like bright colors. Whee! Pink color. Orange color. Purple color.
The mouse ran up the clock struck one.
Blue color. Woo!
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock struck two, away she flew.
Red color. Woo!
Tick tock, tick tock.
Green color. Woo!
Hickory dickory
See you on next video.